Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Gautam Kadam from Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji High School, Sharda Nagar, Sagroli. Today we are going to discuss on topic chemical reactions and equations. What do you mean by chemical reaction? Chemical reaction means it is the process of interaction between two or more reactants and they get converted into two or more products by changing their physical states, color, odor and temperature is called as chemical reaction. There are different types of chemical reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, redox reaction. First, we talk about combination reaction. See here, the symbol for sulfur is S and the symbol for oxygen gas is O2. When sulfur reacts with oxygen gas, then there is formation of sulfur dioxide gas. Here there are two reactants, that is sulfur and oxygen gas, and when sulfur and oxygen reacts together or combine together to form a single product, that is SO2, sulfur dioxide gas. Here single product is formed. That's why it is the example of combination reaction. What is meant by a combination reaction? The chemical reaction in which when two or more reactants combine and to form a single product is called as combination reaction. The another example for combination reaction is that when magnesium, the symbol for magnesium is Mg, when magnesium reacts with oxygen, that is O2, then chemical reaction takes place between magnesium and oxygen. There is formation of 2 times magnesium oxide. Here only one product, that is magnesium oxide, is formed from magnesium and oxygen when they combine together. That's why it is also example of combination reaction. In combination reaction, only one single product is formed when two or more reactants combine. The second reaction, decomposition reaction. AgCl2 means silver chloride. The formula for silver chloride is AgCl2. Take this silver chloride in a china dish and then expose to sunlight. When it exposed to sunlight, then it decomposes, then it breaks into silver and chlorine gas is evolved. AgCl2 decomposes and there is formation of two products, that is silver and chlorine gas is evolved. Means here two or more products are formed from single reactant. That's why it is the example of decomposition reaction. What is meant by decomposition reaction? The chemical reaction in which when two or more products are formed from a single reactant, then it is called as decomposition reaction. AgCl2 get decomposed due to presence of light, due to presence of sunlight, and that's why this decomposition reaction is also called as photo decomposition reaction, because silver chloride get decomposed due to light. The another example for decomposition reaction is that when heat is given to calcium carbonate up to 1000 degrees Celsius, when heat is given to calcium carbonate, the formula for calcium carbonate is CaCO3. Then it decomposed into calcium oxide and CO2 gas is evolved. Here also two products are formed, that is calcium oxide and CO2 gas is evolved from single reactant, that is calcium carbonate, and that's why it is the example of decomposition reaction. The next reaction is that displacement reaction. See here, the symbol for iron is Fe, and this here copper sulfate CuSO4. When iron reacts with copper sulfate, then there is formation of ferrous sulfate FeSO4 plus copper. Take aqueous solution of copper sulfate in a test tube and then add in it iron nail. Then the chemical reaction takes place between iron and copper sulfate. Before experiment, the color of copper sulfate is blue, but when chemical reaction takes place between iron and copper sulfate, then there is formation of ferrous sulfate. The color of solution becomes green because there is formation of ferrous sulfate, and the color of ferrous sulfate is green, and copper is deposited on the iron nail. Here iron is more reactive element than that of copper, and that's why copper is displaced by iron, because copper is a less reactive element than that of iron. So copper is displaced by iron, and that's why there is formation of ferrous sulfate along with copper. What is meant by displacement reaction? The displacement reaction means the chemical reaction in which a less reactive element in a compound is displaced by a more reactive element and to form a corresponding compound, then it is called as displacement reaction. Here copper displaced by iron. Iron is more reactive element than that of copper, so copper displaced and there is formation of ferrous sulfate along with copper, and that's why it is the example of displacement reaction. Now we talk about double displacement reaction. See here, what is meant by double displacement reaction? The double displacement reaction means the chemical reaction in which reactants can exchange their ions and to form a precipitate is called as double displacement reaction. The first reaction, that is AgNO3. AgNO3 means silver nitrate. When silver nitrate react with potassium chloride, that is KCl, then there is form AgCl, the precipitate of silver chloride along with potassium nitrate. The exchange of ions takes place between reactants Ag plus Cl minus. In between them, ions can exchange and there is formation of silver chloride, that is AgCl. The downward arrow indicates that there is formation of PPT, there is formation of precipitate. NO3, the exchange of ions takes place between NO3 and potassium, and there is formation of potassium nitrate. Means double displacement reaction means the chemical reaction in which reactants can exchange their ions and to form a PPT, to form a precipitate, then it is called as double displacement reaction. When PPT is formed by exchanging of their ions, then it is double displacement reaction. The second example of double displacement reaction is that barium sulfate. The formula for barium sulfate is BaSO4, and potassium chromate. The formula for potassium chromate is K2CrO4. The color of potassium chromate is yellow, and when such potassium chromate is added in the solution of barium sulfate, the color of barium sulfate is white. It is the white powder. And when the solution of barium sulfate, this potassium chromate is added, then the chemical reaction takes place between potassium chromate and barium sulfate. Then exchange of ions takes place between reactants. The exchange of ions takes place between barium and chromate, and that's why there is formation of yellow PPT of barium chromate. Barium chromate is the PPT. Exchange of ions also takes place between potassium and sulfate, and that's why there is formation of potassium sulfate. Here PPT is formed. The color of barium chromate PPT is yellow. The downward arrow indicates that there is formation of PPT, and when precipitate is formed in the given chemical reaction, then the type of chemical reaction is double displacement reaction. Means in double displacement reaction, precipitate is formed by exchanging their ions. Thank you.